If your Impreza 3 has factory-installed fog lights, they're enabled via a switch on the light stalk. After turning on your headlights, pull the stalk outwards to activate the fog lights. To disable them, simply push the stalk back in. Ensure your headlights are on the low beam setting for the fog lights to function. If your Impreza 3 didn't come with factory fog lights, you can enable them by installing an OEM or aftermarket kit. These complete kits, costing between $100 and $300, are readily available on sites like Amazon or eBay. The installation process involves 3 main steps. First, mount the fog lights securely in the front bumper. Second, wire them into the car's electrical system, typically connecting to the headlight circuit while ensuring correct polarity. Third, if your light stalk doesn't support fog lights, replace it with one that does. Always consult wiring diagrams and ensure proper installation to avoid electrical issues. A popular trend is upgrading to LED fog lights for better illumination and style. However, improper installation of LED kits can trigger dashboard error codes. Forums suggest that dealerships offer retrofit services for $200 to $500. To avoid issues, use LEDs with built-in resistors or add external resistors to mimic the halogen load and prevent BCM errors. Fog lights must not exceed 55 watts per bulb, the halogen standard. Comply with local laws regarding fog light usage, as some regions restrict their use on highways. Improper installation can void warranties or cause electrical shorts. LED conversions are only suitable for off-road use. The trend is shifting towards LED conversions for longevity and lower power draw, offering up to 50,000 hours of life compared to halogen bulbs. Some enthusiasts are exploring smart integration, such as pairing fog lights with rain sensors or app control via aftermarket ECUs for automated activation. Future trends may involve hybrid retrofits or AI-assisted diagnostics. As the Impreza 3 ages, expect a shift to universal kits and environmentally friendly LEDs.